In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Google Docs. By the end, you'll confidently move text around your document without losing your place or your formatting. First, make sure your Google Docs file is open in your browser and find the exact text you want to move or duplicate. To select it, use your mouse or trackpad to click at the start of the text, hold down the button, and drag across until everything you want is highlighted. You'll see the selected text change color, which is your visual cue that it's ready to copy. If you highlight too much, just click once to remove the selection and try again, dragging a little more carefully. Once your text is highlighted, it's time to copy. You have two simple options. The first is to right-click directly on the highlighted area and choose Copy from the menu that appears. The second, and usually faster, method is to press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+C. Nothing obvious will happen on screen after you copy, and that's okay. The text is stored in your clipboard and ready to be pasted. Next, choose where you want the text to go. Move your cursor to the spot in your document where you want the copied text to appear, and click once so you see the blinking cursor positioned exactly where you want it. This can be in the same paragraph, a new section, or even another part of the document. Taking a second to place your cursor precisely will save you from moving things around later. Now paste the text. Again, you have two options. You can right-click where your cursor is and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. On a Mac, that's Command+V. Important note, in some cases, right-click paste may not work properly in Google Docs, especially depending on your browser settings. If that happens, the Ctrl or Command+V shortcut is the most reliable method and works almost every time. Your copied text will now appear in the new location inside your document. You'll usually see the same words and formatting come through, so everything looks consistent. If something lands slightly out of place, just click and adjust spacing as needed. And that's it. You've learned how to select, copy, and paste text in Google Docs quickly and cleanly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.